Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and the Las Vegas Woodworking show is coming up in about a month, and I am going to be there for 3 days. If you're heading to the show, look me up. My contact information is in the description below. Be glad to talk to you, meet you. I will be spending my time in the Vantedge Edge Bander booth and the Anderson CNC router booth, just talking to people about my equipment and my machines and my experience with both of those companies. Couple of things. If you're shopping for an Edgebander, let me give you a couple of things I think you should be looking for if you're in the closet and cabinet business. A feature that I really like on the Edgebander is the ability for this unit right here. This is called a Premilling unit. Let's see if we can get a good picture of that. Premilling unit, and it's two large diamond-headed cutters. They spin in opposite directions, and as your panel enters the machine, before it gets to the gluing station, it trims off the edge. So this is our edges coming off of the CNC, and they come off really good. Every now and then you'll just get a little bit I call it micro chipping, and it just cleans it up. And you can see here on this panel here, just cleans it up really good. The other thing with the CNC is it packs a little bit of sawdust in here as it's cutting. And I find that the pre-milling, when it runs through there, it cleans that off and just gives you a really good edge to adhere to and allows you to use less glue, which gives you a smaller glue line. So I really like that. The other feature that I like is corner rounding units. So these are the ones on the Vantedge. They're nice, big, heavy-duty units, and they come in, and if you're doing edge banding multiple sides of the panel, they come in and they articulate around the panel and trim the edge. Let me show you that on a panel. With this panel here, we've edge banded two sides, and when you're using, thicker edge banding, a 1mm edge banding, we are putting just a little bit of a radius on there. I don't know if you can see it here, but we put a little bit of a radius on there, and so when we come down and edge band the second side, it will, without corner rounding, it will leave that square, and you'll have to hand file it and knock down those corners. With corner rounding, it goes through the machine and the cutter comes in and it articulates around that corner, top and bottom, and finishes that part off so that you don't have to do any handwork on it. And it just makes it really, really nice. So those are a couple of things that I think you should look at. If you've got other questions or want to talk about some of the other great features that I think are on this machine, give me a call. I know that I have a big 6.5 here, and I know that Ed is introducing a new line of new models at the show this year that have a lot of the same features in a much more compact footprint. And I think you really, really like him. I've talked to him a lot about what I think is great for the closet industry. So look me up. We'll see you in Vegas.